So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pagpapatuloy po natin yung series po ng videos natin kung saan magsasuggest po tayo ng trade package ng iba't ibang teams to offer for Mikey Williams, and of course we will talk po dito sa video na ito. So updates po for the Strong Horse, yung nagbabalak po mag-acquire sa Terra Firma. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Sige, usap muna tayo ng mga comments po kabola ng mga fans. Shoutout naman Idol, thank you so much. Yung mga trades sa SMB ginagawa na nila, hintayin na lang bago, sabi niya. Kabola, hanggang kailan kami maghihintay? Tagal naman na maghintay. Ba't ang tagal gawin itong mga trades na doon ng San Miguel Beermen? Kabola, diba? Ba't parang wala ata silang balak gumalaw? Diba? Kasi kung nag-trade na sana sila dati, diba? Nakatulong pa yan. Ilang weeks na, halos buwan na may oh. Nakadevelop sana sila ng chemistry. Jerwan Abanilla, anong dahilan ng Ross para ibigay si Clarito, Villegas at Lemeti? Again, this is just a trade suggestion, and nakalimutan mo ata kabola that also get po doon na tinatarget is yung pong first round pick nila kabola. Again, this for me is simply sell high of Lemeti and Clarito kabola, and then buying low on Laput. That's basically the explanation po nito together with that first round pick. Again, that was only a trade suggestion. Karim C, Mr. Hula, wag ka ba, wala ka ba toto? Ano yun? Hindi ko gets. Reynold Cruz, kahit isama mo pa sa sanggalang, tingin ko di kakagat dyan si CYG, sabi niya kabola. Again, that's your opinion, and of course, that is acceptable kabola. Napag-usapan natin ni Strong Horse kabola, dalawang news ito, no? So, Strong Horse, sabi niya dito, Basilan owner bros, we won't be anyone's farm team. Again, for me, crucial po na marinig natin dun sa mismong team owner kabola na hindi po sila magiging farm team. Kasi very logical na yan na kapag yung mismo pong team owner nagsasabi sa media, but knowing they are the team owner kabola, hindi nila ipapahiya po yung kanila pong mismong kumpanya. Although, of course, yes, I know kabola na yung owner po ng Blackwater Elite may mga statements din na ganyan, kaso pinapahiya niya, no? Yung sarili niyang kumpanya. Pero I think illogical yung ginawa niya, and mas logical for me na kung sasabihin mo hindi ka magiging farm team kabola, ipapanindigan mo yan. Yan yung in-expect natin dito sa Basilan. Now, may nabanggit pa dito, Star Horse po, they about to use kabola ito po mga underutilized po na mga players. Pag sinabi mong underutilized kabola, parang pinupunto niya dito kabola yung mga sa palagay niya hindi lang nabibigyan ng opportunity to showcase po yung talent nila kabola. Of course, marami kasing story ng ganito, no? From undrafted kabola, or very late na draftee, or it took them a few years of benching kabola before they got the opportunity and they run with it. So maraming ganyang story po sa PBA. Although, 'di ba? Pinuhi ko kanina yung sa yung kaninang article. Ito, may konti lang na explanation po ako asterisk dito. Kasi of course, hindi naman agad-agad 'yan eh. Kabola, parang ang ko lang dyan, yung ganyang klase po ng rasonan, pwede kasing gamitin yan ng mga rason ng mga farm teams eh. Kabola, yun lang naman. Pero of course, we still believe, we are still hopeful, kabola, na yung Star Horse will be a legit team, and we are actually still waiting, kabola, na ma-finalize po yung deal nila to buy ito nga pong Terra Firma. Now is our suggestion po of a package for Meralco Balls for ito nga po kay Mikey Williams. Raymar Jose, Alvin Pasol in the 2025 first kabola. So again, if you are not aware, di ba, isang article po ni Homer Sison na nagsabi na ang TNT currently po, ang hinanap natin ng package, dalawa pong players, isang draft pick kabola. For Meralco, ito, nakafocus siya basically doon sa first po nila kabola. So currently, meron silang top 10 pick po yan kabola, yung first round pick po nila for this upcoming draft. So yan po yung sentro nito ang kanilang package, while also adding 2 serviceable player, Eneso Jose and Pasaol. For Rain o Shine naman, I will suggest po Lemeti, Clarito, and a second round pick kabola. So ito, I think it's just a package po wherein they are selling high on Lemeti kabola, na maraming, of course, a lot of people, they look at him as a future star kabola. And Clarito, of course, one of those underutilized players kabola na nakahanap po ng magandang role dito po sa Rain or Shine kabola. So for me, ang lang naman yan, Rain or Shine can always have the ability to develop this type of players, pero mahirap po makahanap ng level po ng isang Mikey Williams. Kung kabola, anong mas magandang offer, yung kay Meralco o Rain or Shine? Comment lang po sa baba.